The St. Andrew South Police are reporting a 21% reduction in violent crimes in the division. Commanding Officer Superintendent Damian Manderson provided details at a stakeholders meeting today.
At this point, we have 45 too much murders. I say 45 too many. Every single one is one too many. But last year, this time, we were running about 58. We're running closely behind St. James and other parishes. But we have managed to cut that down by 20+%.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew South Western Dr. Angela Brown Burke, while commending the police for the reduction, called on the government to do more. She also pointed to the zone of special operations in the division.
I am pleased that we have a zone in the zone, but I want to see a little bit more done to the zone. A little bit more resources spent in